Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you all are fine. This topic is about saving account. It's not hard to do. Everything you will be thinking about when you have the perfect place to store your cash. Membership saving. You will need this account to start your membership with us. It's an easy way to access your cash. Money marketing saving. This account for the ones who want to kick their saving up a money marketplace. Give your saving an extra boost. Expired saving is a flexible saving account that offers a rate based on the $2,000 in the account. It's an easy tool to help you grow an emergency fund or reach your saving goals a little faster. स्पेशल से बस ये लास्ट वाली है ना ये लास्ट वाली है ना This account is great if you are saving up or something special and want to separate your money from your membership saving. क्या चीज़ holiday savings and youth membership saving, health saving account, HSA, IRA saving.